Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to restrict login times for a specific local user account in Windows 11 without any additional software, using only the command prompt. This method is very useful as it allows you to control when a local user logs into the computer without needing to install any external programs. This is extremely helpful for parents, IT administrators, and anyone who wants better control over computer usage. Therefore, the idea behind this video is how to control computer usage times for a local user, preventing them from using the computer outside of work or school hours. Okay, let's get started. Open the command prompt window as administrator, as this method requires administrator privileges. Otherwise, the command will fail. The first step is to display all accounts on this computer using the net user command. This will allow me to select the user account on which I want to apply the time restrictions. Net user displays all local user accounts created on the computer. I will apply time restrictions to the account names DoIt. For example, I will allow this user to use the computer from Sunday to Thursday and from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Therefore, on Friday and Saturday, computer use is not permitted at all. The command will be as follows. Type net user followed by the local username that will be subject to the login restrictions, which is the username DoIt. Then type /times and specify the days. SU is short for Sunday and TH is short for Thursday, and then enter the time from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Of course, you will specify the time and the days. You can change them as you see fit. I'm just using Sunday to Thursday as an example. Then press Enter to execute the command. You should see a message indicating that the command was executed successfully. Now I will perform a test to verify that the command and the method are working. I will now log out and log back in to the local user account, DoIt. Now, upon entering the password, the user will receive a message stating that their account is subject to time restrictions, preventing them from logging in at this time, as this is not a permitted time for login according to the command. This means that the local user, DoIt, will only be able to use the computer during the specified times. The user will also be automatically prevented from logging in outside of those times. Most importantly, if the user is already logged in, Windows will log them out at the exact specified time and issue a warning. Now I will explain how to remove these restrictions for the local user named DoIt, so they can use the computer at any time. Returning to the standard account, from the same command prompt window, enter the cancel command, which appears on the screen. I will leave the command in the video description. This command removes any login time restrictions and allows the user to log in at any time on any day. Once the command is executed, any restrictions on this local user will be removed. I will verify this by logging out now and then logging in with the local user account from which we removed the time and day restrictions. Therefore, they can log into the computer at any time and on any day. As you can see, the login was successful without any time restrictions. In this way, you can now impose any time restrictions on any local user. Now that I have explained the steps in detail, I will give another example, allowing the local user DoIt to log in from Monday to Friday, from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. The command will appear as shown on the screen. M is for Monday and F is for Friday. Then, enter the time and press Enter to execute the command. One last example, allowing login only on weekends, specifically Saturday and Sunday, from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. SA stands for Saturday and SU for Sunday. Therefore, login is allowed on Saturdays and Sundays, but blocked during weekdays. Then press Enter to execute the command. And to remove all time restrictions for this local user, I'll enter the command shown on the screen. As I mentioned, this command removes any login time restrictions and allows the user to log in at any time on any day. As you can see, using the netuser/times command gives you full control over when a local user can log in to Windows 11. Therefore, you can restrict access by day or hour, or block specific days entirely, such as weekends, all without installing any additional software. If you liked this video, click like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and activate the bell icon so you don't miss any new content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.